In this video, I'll show you how to build a frame with 3 openings or cells step by step. Begin with your cut pieces. You'll see the modules labeled B, C, and D, and 2 small parts you'll need for this build. There is also module A, that is for single cell frame. It shares the same principle and is easier to assemble. There are letters on some flaps to make it easier to distinguish between modules. Take a moment to identify each piece before you begin. Fold all the score lines using a bone folder or your tool of choice. Fold inward on valley scores and outward on mountain scores. Proper folding now will make assembly much easier later. Pay special attention to the outer long flaps. They should be able to fold without any tension. Start with module B. Place it flat on your work surface, face down. This will become the back of the frame. Glue the 4 small inner flaps of each of the modules used. Add a small amount of glue to each tab, just enough to hold it firmly, not so much that it seeps out. Align carefully to the mark. These small flaps vary slightly between modules, but the principle is the same. All modules are sealed with glue from the inside out. Continue with the next flaps from the inside out. Be careful with the glue. If it slips, it will be visible on the front of the frame. Scraping with the bone folder, where possible, shortens the drying time of the glue. The other flaps of that order have a little triangular mark for proper alignment. Next, add module C or module D if you're making 2 cells frame. Line up the tabs carefully with the slots from module B and insert them one by one. Fold the long flap inside, but not glue it yet. Work slowly and check alignment as you go. Make sure that the long flap is not glued and can be folded freely. Repeat to the other side. Fold and unfold along the newly formed long scoring lines. Continue attaching the next modules in order, always inserting tabs into slots and securing with glue. Take your time. Each connection should fit snugly. In this case, I attach a D module to complete the 3-cell frame. If you are making a 4-cell frame, attach another C module and then a D. This is explained in the PDF instructions. This modular system lets you create multiple cell configurations, all from the same set of parts. Once all modules are joined, you'll see the frame take its structured form. You can use clips where it is possible to hold the flap in place while the glue sets. Make sure the edges are aligned properly. Repeat to the other side. This video can also help you assemble the other frames in our store, 8, 9 inches and others. They all share the same principle, inside out. They are structurally stable and easy to assemble. These strips are primarily decorative, not structural. You can skip this step if the back of the frame is not visible. And here's your finished frame. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more tips, Check the written tutorial included with your download or reach out if you have any questions. Happy crafting!